Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Amar Raja battery first. Let's see what has happened in this stock. See, this stock has given a upside breakout, but it has made this level as its resistance and it has fallen down. Okay, what can happen? See, tomorrow if the stock takes support here and as soon as the stock goes above this region 782.83 rupees, you can buy with the stop loss of 777. Okay, and if the stock goes below this trend line, you can short this stock. Okay, I told you in my intraday video that if the stock will go above this, it will hit 800 and 830 rupees target. So it eventually hit 798 rupees on the upside, and then it fell. Okay, uh, let's analyze our next stock. Our next stock is Apollo Tires. See, this stock is taking resistance of this trend line. Okay, and it is taking support of this trend line. Okay, what can happen tomorrow? See, if the stock opens flat in this region and then immediately starts to go towards the upside above this region. Okay, above this region, what is this region? This comes around 215-16 rupees. So as soon as the stock will go above 215-16 rupees from the downside, let me tell you, the stock must open around here and then it should break this resistance line and close above that resistance line. Then only we will consider buying. Some of you were asking me when to buy, when to sell. So let the resistance get broken, stock give an upside breakout above the resistance, let the candle close above the resistance, and the candle must be of 15-minute time frame. Let the candle close and buy above the high of that candle and place your stop loss below this region. So this will be the active example of trading. Okay, what next? If the stock goes below this level, you can also short this stock, but remember, you will only short this stock below the low of this candle. Okay, as soon as the stock goes below 212.11, you can short this stock. Below 211.80, you can short this stock for easy targets of 209.65. But remember, the market must also remain bearish, then only you should sell this stock. It will give you eventually a good target. But one more thing, if you will see here, see, if you will do a drawing in 30-minute time frame, okay, then you will find out that this level, okay, is acting as a resistance for this stock. Okay, this horizontal line is acting as a resistance. Okay, this level is acting as a support for this stock. Okay, and the stock is stuck between this region. Okay, what can happen? If the stock has to go towards the upside, it will make this level as a support. It may even trade like this for few hours, and then form a price action pattern and then give an upside breakout. This can also happen in this stock. Okay, so if you can wait tomorrow, then you can also wait tomorrow for this stock to give an upside breakout, because this market is not that good of a market to buy something or not that good of a market to sell something. But let's see what happens. Now let's analyze this stock, Berger Paints. See, if you'll watch this stock closely in daily time frame, you will find out that this stock has made a good sort of a closing today. Okay, it is reversing from the downside. Okay, so as the stock is reversing from the downside, it is actually taking this level as a support. Okay, it is actually taking this level as a support. Okay, and if it holds this support and tries to give an upside breakout above this region, then you can buy this stock. Okay, you can buy this stock above 720 for easy target of 730.34. Okay, why 30.34? See, 31 here will act as a resistance and 34 is the major resistance for this stock. So you can go for 30 to 34, or even you can hit this as a target. Okay, above 720 you can go for 26, 31, 35. Okay, so let's analyze this stock, Boss Limited. See, let me tell you, Boss Limited, this is a stock of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Kerala, any of this state. This stock operates and it has a factory in one of these state, and there is a lockdown situation in that state. So all of the stocks which fall under these states are not performing, just like Britannia, Bosch Limited is also not performing because they fall under the same state. Okay, there is a lockdown situation, and if the stock tomorrow gives an upside breakout above this region, see 1300 and 13,700 rupees, then only it will turn bullish and try to go towards the upside. And if it falls below this level, say this level, it will become bearish and it will fall for more targets, more downside target 13,200. Okay, so you should trade this stock accordingly, and you need to be very focused. You need to be very focused on these levels. Okay, as the stock is stuck in the middle, upside breakout will result into upside targets, downside breakdown will result into downside targets. Okay, let's see this stock, Canara Bank. If you'll watch this stock in daily time frame, you will find out that this stock has made a bearish engulfing kind of a candlestick pattern, and if the stock goes below today's low and it makes another low for 15 to 20 minutes, then you can short this stock for easy targets of these levels. Okay, you can short this stock for easy targets of these levels. See, it is trading in the downside region. Okay, and if it gives a breakdown and goes below this level of 142.3, 142, then it may fall for 141, 141.5. Okay, almost 1% target. Okay, which will be the support line target, like this. Okay, below this it may fall till here, or even it can give a breakdown also. And above this, let us say if the stock manages to go above this region, okay, let any 15-minute candle close above this resistance line, and then only consider buying with the stop loss of 142.5 or 142.3. Now let's analyze this stock, Cummins India. If you'll watch this stock in 30-minute time frame, you will find out that this stock is actually trading in this sort of a channel. Okay, but now it has made a bearish flag kind of a pattern, right? Bearish flag kind of a pattern. And if the stock tomorrow gives a breakdown below these levels, okay, this whole level of 830, then it will fall huge in coming days till 760, 750, just because there lies no support in this region. Okay, let any 15-minute candle close below this trend line, and if any 5-minute candle goes below that 15-minute candle's low, then only consider shorting the stock. But let any candle, 15-minute candle, close below this trend line, let it break and close below this region and form another low, then only you will short this stock. Until or unless it gives a closing below this, you won't short this stock, just because stock may go down and make a spike and come towards the upside. Okay, this can also happen. So let's analyze this stock, Dabur. See, Dabur, this stock is actually trading in this sort of a channel. If it gives a upside breakout, it will be a good trade towards the upside. If it gives a downside breakout, it will be a downside trade. Okay, now let's analyze this Deepak Nitrate. See, this stock is turning a bit bearish for me, but in long terms it is super bullish kind of a stock. Okay, if it goes below this region, you can short this stock. Now wait for a few seconds, please. Yeah, now am I audible? So let's analyze this stock. This stock is actually trading in a channel, okay, and it has given a bearish closing today. If the stock manages to go below this lows, okay, this low, or you can say this low 1863, then you can short this stock for easy targets of 1754 in swing. Why? See, this level will act as a target 1752 or even further 1711. Why I am considering to short this stock? Just because it is not making another sort of a good higher high or higher low. Why? See, the stock is not going towards the upside. It is not sustaining here. It is falling again, it is going, but again it is falling again, it went up again, it has fallen. So it has fallen a few times, which means sellers are coming in this stock, and if this support is broken, the stock will fall like anything. So if tomorrow the stock falls, you can short this stock also. Now let's analyze this stock DLF. See, this stock is actually making a triangle kind of a pattern in making, okay. See, it is trading in this sort of a range, okay, and if it gives a breakdown, you can short. If it gives a breakout, you can buy. But remember, the stock must give a flat opening, then give a breakout, then give a breakdown. If it will open gap up, it may come down. If it opens gap down, it may come upside. So these can be the levels to watch in this stock DLF also. Now let's analyze the next stock, Escorts. See, this stock is also making same sort of a pattern. This level swing low, okay, this level is swing low 1108, this level swing high 1141. The stock is stuck in this range. If it will give upside breakout above this, it will go towards 1150, 1157, 1173. If it goes down, then I don't know where the stock will stop. So I will consider buying this stock above this level. If it opens flat, gives a breakout, goes above this 1142, then I will consider buying this stock, and the stock may eventually reverse till 1170 in coming sessions also, okay. Let's analyze another stock, Glenmark. See, if you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is stuck in this sort of a channel, okay. It is not going towards the downside, it is not going towards the upside. It has made two swing highs and two swing lows. See, this is the swing high, these are the swing high, and these are the swing lows, and these are the swing highs. And if you will connect these, you will find that this stock is stuck in a pattern, okay. If this pattern is broken towards the upside, you can buy. If this is broken towards the downside, you can sell. Now let's analyze this stock, HDFC. See, in intraday I have drawn this chart, okay. I have had drawn this chart, okay. So if the candle will give a upside breakout, I will buy above the high of this candle, okay. But what happened, the stock has not made a high above this candle, so I shifted my line to this, okay. So as soon as the stock was breaking this high 2413, I bought this stock, and I actually closed it around here 2432. So this was my analysis for HDFC in intraday. As it was making a flag sort of a pattern, I thought the stock may give me the target of 2444, but then I saw that there is a huge resistance around 2430 rupees, so I closed my position here only. Let's analyze this stock, Ibul Housing Finance. See, if you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock has a swing high of this and a swing low of this. The stock is actually stuck in 23.6 level, okay, 177.15. This is a good level for this stock to go long, okay, with this level as a stop loss, okay. If the stock gives an upside breakout above the high of today, above 181.3, it will turn bullish. Why I am telling you this? See, let us consider the stock is in downtrend. Okay, let us consider that the stock is in downtrend. Okay, this stock is now actually not good. It gives a red kind of a candle every day it opens, so you can short this stock at any given day, and if it goes above the high of previous day, you can buy this stock at any given day. This is a very good stock to trade. Okay, so what can happen in this stock? See, if you'll draw this sort of a trend line, okay, then you will find that the stock is respecting this trend line very well. Okay, but it is shortening its pattern. See, it does not have enough space to go anywhere, so it has to give a breakdown or give a breakout. So this stock may run 10 to 12% towards the upside or the downside tomorrow, but you should actually trade this stock after 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Let any 30-minute candle give upside or downside breakout, then only consider buying or selling. Don't jump into 15-minute time frame in this stock. This is a very volatile stock. So trade only after the first 30 minutes. Okay, and if the stock manages to go above 177, 78, then only you will consider to buy this stock, but you won't buy at 177, 178. You will wait for the stock to cross this level, then only you will consider buying. So above 181, you will consider buying this stock for targets of 186 or 190 on intraday basis, with the stop loss of whichever candle gives a breakout. You will put your stop loss just below the low of that candle, and then you will consider buying. Let's analyze this stock, IDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank. If you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is actually making this sort of a pattern. Okay, in which it is making a flag kind of a pattern in 30-minute time frame, and it has given some sort of a breakout above that candle also, sorry, above that resistance line also, above this resistance line also. So if you shift it to like this, okay, let's make this as a new resistance line. Okay, if the stock opens flat, goes above the high of this candle 57.1020, let the candle close above that price, and then only consider buying this stock in 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you can achieve a huge target tomorrow. If the stock goes towards the upside, you can at least achieve this level as your target. Okay, at least 58.3 to 60 rupees as your target. Why? Because see, if you'll watch this stock in daily time frame, it is actually making a good sort of a candle today. If it goes above this resistance line, high of 57.45, then it can give a further upside run. Okay, now let's analyze this stock, Jubilant Food. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock is also making a bearish kind of a pattern. See, this was the trend line which gave a breakdown, and the stock is actually making bearish flag kind of a pattern. And if tomorrow the stock gives a closing below this level 2789, 2789, 2790, any candle closes below this region, you can short this stock. And if any candle goes above the high of this level 2840, 283437, then you can buy this stock for targets of 2866 also. Okay, why 2866? See, if you will watch the stock and its history, you will find out that 2865, okay, this level is acting as a resistance for this stock. So the stock can also face resistance at that level 2865. Okay, so now let's analyze this stock, LTI, Larsen and Turbo Infotech. The stock was trading in this sort of a channel, and then it gave a breakdown. It again went up, retested and again started to fall. What can happen in this stock tomorrow? Let's see. See, if the stock tomorrow makes this sort of a pattern, say this sort of a pattern, and it goes above this level 3875, then you can buy this stock for 3900 and 3938 rupees target. And if the stock tomorrow makes this level as a resistance, makes this level as a resistance and goes below this level, okay, then you can short this stock below 3790 for further downside target. What will be our target? Our target will be 3780. So should you short this stock? No, you should not short this stock below 3790, because 3790 to 3780-79 region is a strong support for this stock. So the stock may fall till here, it may fall till here, and it may reverse up from this level. Okay, let's analyze L&T Finance Holding. If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this level is acting as a resistance for this stock, and the stock is making a swing lower high. Okay, swing lower high, and then it has made a higher low. Okay, swing lower high, okay, and swing higher low. What can happen tomorrow? If the stock goes below this, it will come towards this target 81. If it goes above this, it may go till 89.25. okay, so let the candle close above this resistance line, then only consider buying, or close below this resistance line, then only consider selling below 84.5. okay, now let's analyze this stock NTPC. okay, if you are watching this stock analysis, then you should watch this stock and tell yourself that you will not trade in this stock until or unless it gives a breakout above this trend line or a breakout above this trend line. Why? See, this stock is a very bad kind of a stock which doesn't run. Just because everyone is shifting towards renewable energy, solar energy, so these thermal power plants are not getting enough of money. Okay, so what can happen in this stock? As soon as this stock goes above 106.15, it will give a breakout, and if it goes below this level 100, then it will be a short target or intraday basis for 98 rupees target. Okay, below this level you can short this stock for this target. Okay, and above this you can buy this stock for further upside target of 109. okay, but remember, this stock must be traded very securely. Let's analyze this stock Pidilite. okay, this stock is stuck in this range. okay, it is stuck in this range. If it gives a breakdown below, you can short, gives a breakout, you can buy. PI Industries, this stock failed to give a breakout, closed around resistance, and if it goes above this level on intraday basis 2725, then only consider buying this stock, else you can short this stock below the low of 2601. okay, Punjab National Bank, see, this stock is stuck in this range 35, 39, 32.5. okay, whichever level gets broken, you can short below this, you can buy above this. okay, so this is my analysis for tomorrow, and if you like my analysis, then you can like, share and comment. And if you want to learn how I did this sort of an analysis for these stocks on intraday basis, you can also join my YouTube channel and Telegram channel for further updates. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.